Alright now everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm going to be yelling today because I didn't bring my microphone. I'm kind of in a hurry, and we're back here at the field, and I have some sad news to report. This field has apparently sold. They're going to be closing here next month, I think, and they said we got to be out of here, but I'm not so sure that the deal's really going to go through and that's really going to happen. The tree service just came in here like yesterday and cleared out all kinds of stuff, so I don't know why they would be clearing it still if they know it's going to be sold. It doesn't make sense. I'll show you around and let you get a little panoramic view here in a minute. So I thought about doing a sad melodramatic video of me frolicking through the field for one last time and all that, but I don't have time for that. All of this wood behind me has got to go, and it's not a good situation. I got some sold today to move, but if I have to take all this wood home, it's going to be, I mean, I got 30 hours of loading wood just here, and then you can double that at my house because it takes about 2 hours to unload by wheelbarrow a cord of wood. You know, a trailer load and a truck load takes about 2 hours a piece. So I mean, it's 4 hours to unload and stack wood behind my house by wheelbarrow by hand. So I'm selling some today, but all this stuff's got to go. So all the good times we've had here, you can look back and reminisce. Now, I'm not sure what the future is going to look like. I still can get wood, but I don't know. I'm not sure where I'll go. I don't know where this tree service is going to go. I talked to Mike. He's got to go somewhere, and he's still going to be having wood. So I don't know what that'll look like with him, but there is other wood that I can get, so I can still get wood. But we'll see what it looks like here in the coming months. So for the time being, I can't really make more wood. I got to move all of this wood, and I told you earlier in the year I knew this was probably gonna happen, but I'm still not sure it's gonna be finalized. I mean, like I said, why would they be in here renting a bobcat and clearing all this out if they're going to be out of here in 3 or 4 weeks? Doesn't make sense. So anyways, I'm just going to get my truck and my trailer loaded up here. I got a couple ricks to sell today, and it's a start on getting this wood out of here. I think I got somewhere between, I don't know, 27 and 30 ricks here. So I don't know. I mean, I got over 9 cords of wood to move by hand. Hopefully I can sell some. So anyways, thanks for tuning in today. This is about it for the introduction. I don't have time to make a whole cinematic movie about all this crazy stuff. I'm just going to tell you straight up and get going with the work because I got a lot of work to do. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in the upcoming weeks and months, and we'll see how everything transitions, see where I'm able to go and what that looks like. You know where I've been in the past, and I can still go back there, but I don't know moving forward where this is going to move to. So it'll be interesting to see. As long as I can get some wood, we'll be all good. So here we go. Let me get this loaded up. Whoa, snaky. All right now everybody, there's one rick in the truck. I'm going to back the trailer up, hook the trailer up, get all set up, and do it one more time. I'm giving a little bit of extra wood because I'm the one calling them in July asking to go ahead and buy wood. But these are fire pit people. They were actually ready to buy wood. They said, as a matter of fact, I do. So I'm going to go ahead and get this loaded up real quick. Let me get turned around here. Now I got all hooked up there. I did want to mention there was a nice sized snake in that wood. I think it might have been a king snake, not sure. But he was pinched in between some wood. I didn't see him. I don't like to hurt snakes. I think they're pretty cool. They help out with the rodents and the mice and everything, so I don't like to really kill them. But I looked over and he was squirming around and he was pinched in between two pieces of wood when I took a handful off of there. So hopefully little buddy's all right. We also got some wasps here. I'm sure there's some wasp nests in there and everything else this time of year. It's just a good time to be doing firewood. So let's get this second rick loaded up. Here we go. Okay, I got that rick of wood loaded up. That took me about 15 minutes. So a rick of wood in this trailer is 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I brought her some extra wood just for being a good customer, buying some wood this time of year. And that's going to be about the episode today. Stay tuned. I'm going to be moving a lot of wood the next few weeks. It's probably going to be a lot of moving wood. I won't be making wood until I get all this stuff taken care of. So that's what's coming up, and you can see, I mean, that was 2 ricks of wood, and I put a little dent in the pile here, but quite a bit more to go. I think there's about 30 ricks here. I'm not real sure. I'm just guesstimating. Anyways, see you guys later. All right, now here's that first delivery, and I got it stacked up along that wall. That wall is about 3.5 feet, and the pile is 12 feet long or so. So it's a little bit longer and flatter. I just stack it up there. He's got a nice little fire pit right there, so we're good to go. All right, now everybody, there's number 1. I got to get moving. All right, now I forgot to record the second delivery, but I was paid with zucchini and squash, a few tomatoes too. The lady was really nice, and she let me go into her garden and pick some zucchini and some squash. I've already made 2 recipes. I made some breaded zucchini, and I made a big stir fry with some of them because I have so much of it. So I gotta boil all this stuff down or freeze it or something. But that's what I got from the second delivery. It was just a pile of wood, not much to look at. So sorry about forgetting to film it. But you guys have a good one, and see you later.